Effective lessons hinge on fostering deep student engagement. Moby's interactive class offers a variety of fun, real-time ways to encourage students to participate and actively explore. Let's look at the modules available in the interactive class suite. In interactive lessons, you can create lessons from Moby's curriculum of thousands of teaching videos and practice problems, or create your own tech-enhanced questions. As students engage with the session on their own devices, you can watch the results in real time to immediately gauge which concepts or skills need more explanation. The Whiteboard Activities module allows you to create quick, rich lessons to share with your class on a smart whiteboard or projector. With just a few clicks, you can easily build animated, interactive lessons and questions from Moby's library, make your own, or draw from other problems created by our shared community. The Quick Question module allows you to instantly gauge student understanding. Just present a question verbally or on the board and set up a quick question in Moby. While your students respond on their devices, you can watch their answers in real time on your own screen. Once you've taught your material, Moby's team games make practice energizing and exciting for your entire class. Moby can automatically split your students into teams to create balance and foster collaboration. A real-time leaderboard drives students to eagerly answer questions to try to move their teams up in the ranking. And since Moby weights every student's response according to their ability level, every student's participation really counts toward victory. Moby's board games offer another easy way to encourage enthusiastic practice. You can choose the standards or skills you would like the game to cover and assign it to your students. Students choose a board and a character, then answer questions to earn power-ups and move around the virtual game board. In addition to the fun of gamification, the opportunity to win virtual prizes offers extra motivation. The interactive class suite gives teachers the ability to instantly make live lessons and practice more engaging and exciting for every student.